Good evening, weather watchers. Well, this was the scene in Rockhampton about 2 o'clock this afternoon after unofficial rainfall reports of 100 millimetres an hour, or I should say in 1 hour, caused flash flooding of city streets. Now, an oh so familiar scene, isn't it? Now, severe thunderstorm warnings for many areas of Queensland were issued about 2:30 this afternoon, but in Rockhampton's case it was far too late. Now let's have a look at rainfall for the 24 hours to 9 o'clock this morning. We've got a bit of colour here. We've got Blue Hills and Red Hills, 47 and 39 millimetres. Yatton, an alerts rain gauge, 36 millimetres. Town of 1770, 35. Billaboo, 19 millimetres. And Billawheeler, 8 millimetres. Okay, but this typifies the situation for the next couple of days with the possibility of some heavy falls. Temperatures around the region today, not quite as hot as yesterday. Rockhampton 32 with that thunderstorm between 1 and 2 o'clock this afternoon. Gladstone 33, quite a nasty storm developing south of Gladstone around about 5 o'clock this afternoon. Barralabar 36 and Emerald 33. Now rainfall till 3 p.m, Rockhampton Airport 25, so obviously they missed the bulk of the heavy falls, and that, as I say, there were reports of 100 millimetres in parts of the town. Current conditions in Rockhampton, the temperature about 24. The first national satellite picture again shows a vigorous monsoonal flow. The monsoon trough across the coast near the Byrne area, a little bit of a discontinuity line, a surface trough over the interior of the state. However, 3 o'clock this afternoon of interest, the Bureau is watching this blob of cloud pretty close to the coast, northeast of Byrne. It's embedded on the monsoon trough. And if all goes well, the theory, over the next couple of days, it may start to rotate in a clockwise situation. So we do expect the possibility of that blob starting to become a tropical low over the next 48 hours. Onto the chart. There's your trough over the interior, the monsoon trough across the coast near Byrne. The atmosphere is very unstable and very moist, so further showers and storms. However, that as the southerly high intensifies, it'll push a surge of southeasterlies up the coast in the next 24 hours, and that'll be the trigger for some good rain, perhaps through parts of the district. And as I say, the development of that tropical low northeast of about Byrne is also of interest. The local forecast, showers and thunderstorms, maybe morning rain areas north of Rockhampton tomorrow. The possibility of some heavy falls with those storms, and similar for Friday. Also similar for the Central Highlands and coalfields. Emerald maximum tomorrow 32 degrees. Maritime observations at 3 o'clock, they included Heron Island, northeast, good conditions, just 4 knots. Now coastal waters, good conditions at first, variable winds 5 to 10 knots. However, expect those southeast to easterlies to freshen to 15 to 20 tomorrow afternoon, 20 to 25 knots offshore by evening. Sun up tomorrow morning, 5:28. And I'll finish off with the usual summary. Isolated showers for the weekend, but some good rain between now and then. That's it for the weather. Now it's back to Paul and Dave.
Good upon you, Peter. Why not join us tomorrow night for the best hour of news? Good night.
Good night.
This has been a Win News presentation from Win Television, Australia's largest commercial television network.